doing? I hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Claire and today I'll be showing you how to prepare pasta. So without much further ado, let's get started. So for pasta, we are going to need our pasta. We are using macaroni. We'll need some tomatoes, 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic, some cooking oil, tomato paste, Royco mchuzi mix, garlic powder, garam masala, and some salt to taste. We are also going to use some soy sauce and some tomato ketchup. So let us get started. So guys, our pasta is finally ready. It didn't take long to prepare and it's very delicious. So definitely try this recipe out and I am sure you're going to enjoy it. Kindly subscribe down below if you have not and turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video every Saturday. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.